How to enable screen time on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on screen time. Now, in the screen time settings page, tap on the app and website activity option you see there under the limit uses option. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, go ahead and tap on the Turn on App and Website Activity option you see there, and with this, downtime, app limits, screen distance, and all other screen time activities will be enabled. So, this is how you can enable screen time on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.